Hey folks, welcome back to the Key. Well, just about the end of April, well, a week left to go April, and there's next to no snow on the ground, which is a good thing because that means we can get back to the Woodland Mills, get back to the sawmill and start getting some more wood cut so that we can get this guy done. Anyways, sawing materials for the barn, and actually got to cut the decking for the new trailer. So we're going to do that and see what kind of trouble we can get into with it. Anyway folks, glad you're here. Hope you like this content. If you do, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's quit talking, let's get at her. Well, there should be enough blades for today. That's doing there. Okay, good. Let's keep going. Come on, so come. Hasn't run in 2 months. First pull. Nice. Well, we'll let that run for a little while. We'll warm up. Okay, so. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta move that log down just a little bit more. Yeah. I still have more room to go. Something getting in the way. Must be a piece of bark or something fell down. Alright, no, we'll keep going. Alright, so now when rolling these logs, like turning it into a vent or a can, so what I'm trying to tell you with that other camera is that when you're rolling a cant, sometimes the bark will flake off and get in between or underneath your cant. So it ends up jamming against your log stop or underneath, and it'll end up giving you a uneven or not level square cut. So keep an eye on that, and your log should stay, or your cant should be square if you don't have anything jamming in between them. Okay, so the boards that we need for the barn, for the roof, are 1 inch. So as we look at this, you can see that we're sitting in just over 7 inches. So we're going to just adjust this, get us to a nice square number. Only because I'm trying to do this on camera, it's not working for me. Here we go. Okay, so you can see that's right about 7.5. So what I'll do for my next cut is I will lower that down to 6.5, and I'll continue those cuts until the cant's gone. Anyway, let's get back at her. So 7.5 and 1 inch, less than 1 inch, 6.5. Next board. All right, you get the idea. The idea, we're going to be cutting 1-inch boards here for most of the day until I get to my tamarack, and the tamarack is for the deck of the trailer. Anyway, folks, I'm going to put out a couple little shorts here shortly. Little tips and tricks and little things that I've done to my mill to make my life easier when I'm milling. Anyway, folks, hope you like this one. Stick around. Don't forget to subscribe. Always great to have you. Comment. Take care. Stay well. Till next time, here at Manitowoc, I'm Mark. Bye for now.